Christina. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. So today's video is going to be about how to set up your YouTube channel or how to start a YouTube channel, because it's definitely hard to set up. So my part one of this is going to be creating your YouTube page setup. And this is pretty easy. You could use just your phone. You can use a computer if you want to, but whatever you want. It's pretty simple. Just before you make your YouTube page, you have to create a Google account. And it's pretty simple to create a Google account. You just need to create an email. And that's pretty much it. Just go into Google and search up create a Gmail account. And that's just follow the steps that they give you. They give you a lot of steps. Then after you set up your Gmail account, just sign into YouTube. And we could start making our YouTube channel. So I'm going to stop talking and insert the footage of me showing you how to create your YouTube channel. So let's get started on making your YouTube channel. First thing you want to do is search for youtube.com and enter. Then at the top right corner of the page, you're going to click on your icon. Once the drop down menu comes up, you're going to click on your channel. So we're going to start out with a blank YouTube channel like we have here. So first thing we're going to do is go to customize channel. And here we can change everything. So we can change our profile picture, our banner, channel art, whatever. So let's go ahead and start with this layout here. So make sure you have this checked. Customize the layout of your channel. And you could do all this. You can have comments on your channel, or you can have to approve them before. So I like to approve them beforehand. And you can translate channel info, but we're just gonna leave that for now. So, then you can change the profile picture and the channel thing. You can add a channel art. I don't have anything to add right now. So here we can add a section of your uploads, if you have any uploads. So you could do things like popular uploads. I like to use. On my channel, I have popular uploads as the first thing. Just like that. And then I have created playlists. That's like my YouTube channel layout. And so once you get started, you can have your video manager right here. Which basically brings you to all your uploaded videos. And it will tell you how many views and likes and dislikes comments. Then if we go to your YouTube studio, you don't, I mean, obviously I don't have anything here, but I'll show you what that would look like on my channel. So here's my channel. You, like, by default it will take you to Studio Beta, but I prefer the Studio Classic just because it's so much easier to do, and it basically tells you everything about your channel, like how many total views you have, how many views each video has, and everything like that. So if you go to your video manager, there are also different options, but I don't know why that's going. Anyways, let's go to my video manager, and it basically tells me how many views and likes and dislikes I have, and comments. So, and it also tells you if you have a copyright strike. Another thing you could do with your video manager is, you know, change the thumbnail, change the description. Here's my description, and you can add tags. I'm not sure what happened to my tags. I had tags, but it's whatever. You can translate them and do anything like that. Here you can also add subtitles to your videos, and you can have on community contributions, and I like to have them on. And what you have to do is copy this link, and then people can add their own subtitles to your video. So what you want to do is copy it, and then you go into your description box, and I'm gonna go below the so I'm just gonna add this in. And then what would I say? Captions on my video? For my video? This video? There we go. Unless I already have it in there. I'm not sure. Nope. Okay. So then you just go up here and save changes. So there you go. You can also add enhancements, which are like, you can do blurring, you can trim parts of your video right on here. So basically, like, you can upload the video privately first, and then afterwards you could change that to public after you use the built-in editor on YouTube. You can replace the audio with, you know, music from YouTube, and then you have your end screen where you can add different things for people to click on. So let's go ahead and add something. I'm not sure why we didn't have that. So we have the subscribe button right here. Then you can go ahead and add more stuff. So we can add a video. So you can do automatically feature most recent upload. The YouTube will automatically select a video to best suit the viewer, or you can choose a video or playlist. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose a video, but most of the time I just like, you know, you can just click on whatever video you want, but I just want to do best for viewer for now. So we're gonna create this element, and there you go. Now you gotta move it, and you could make it smaller. Oh, you can make it any smaller, but you can make it bigger. Actually, I'm gonna make it a little smaller. Put it like right here so you can see the end result. There we go. Yeah, so we can still see the end result of my video. Here we go. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. So now we are going to click save. And you can also customize the length of these end cards. So it's pretty cool. Then you can add in like cards that come up at the side of your video. I have one right here. So let's see that come up. So we did pass it. Yeah, so that's when it would be. Yep, see, there you go, it pops up. So that's how you get those things. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you guys have any other requests, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and share it with your friends who are also starting YouTube channels. Thank you so much for watching my video and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notifications to be notified every time I upload on Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Stay tuned for more videos in the future on how to set up your YouTube channel. My next video will be tips on growing your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.